Rub those fingers down my spine, baby. As Bitcoin's rubbing its fingers up the spine right now. Trying to bounce back up to the upside. What's going on, everyone? Kind of interesting day for BTC today, man. Pump, dump, pump. Interesting day, man. All right. See you guys in a sec. Everyone had a fantastic day. Yo, what's going on? The moon song. Should that be the new pump song? Let me know in the chat. Should Fingers Down My Spine be the new pump song? All right, Bitcoin came all the way back down again, almost to sock level territory. We came all the way back down to 20,266. Almost made Jordan eat the sock and then bounced back up to the upside, all the way back up to 22,800. Now we're seeing a little pullback. We're going to talk about what I expect to happen here, and what maybe we can expect moving forward, man. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about an interesting day today. Let's recap what happened and then kind of go forward, man. All right, what's going on? Dead cat bounce. Noah has down in it. It's my favorite weirdo. What's going on, Drew? Drew, you're my favorite weirdo, man. You're my favorite weirdo too. All right, let's hop on it. Let's hop on in. No! Come on, man. I just want to see Jordan eat the sock. This is freaking ridiculous. You know, I've been cooking that sock for so long. It's so burnt. It's so burnt. Whales. Whales. Dump it. I'm going to get liquidated. I keep laddering in my shorts. I want to see Jordan eat the sock. I can't wait anymore. This is ridiculous. All right. Hold on, guys. Hold up. Let's get job out here. What's going on? I got this like weird angle going on, man. I got this monitor right here that's like at an awkward angle. So if you guys see me in this like awkward angle, that's why we're kind of in an awkward angle here, man. We're in a very, very awkward angle. All right. Hope you guys had a fantastic day. I missed out on the sock again. Again, we missed out on the sock. We came all the way back down to like 20,242 after yesterday going back down to like 20,090. I am barely missing the sock. I think the whales are watching the stream. If anyone sees one, let me know. Any whales out here watching the stream? I think we have a whale right here watching the stream. I think the whales are on my side, man. I really think the whales are on my side and really don't want me to eat the sock. I really think. Skater said 20K coming tonight. Let's discuss, right? Let's discuss what we can expect for Bitcoin. But first, man, we had 75 basis points on the rate hike. All right, so there we go. I mean, you know, a lot of people, I think 50 was the expectation, and then everyone was sort of expecting 75. So I don't think that's why we're not really seeing a dump, because I think everyone after we got the CPI print, everyone was kind of expecting that 75 basis point rate hike. So there we go. We got it. There we go. If anyone could smack up the like button. We got 815 people already in here. We got 157 likes. Let's smack that up to 400 likes right off the bat. Guys, like I always say, all right, before we jump into the price action here, you guys will hop off this stream and you will like every girl's picture on Instagram that you've never even talked to before. But you watch my stream every day. Smack up that like button for your boy, all right? Seriously, I'm only spitting facts here. You guys know what's going down. Come on, man.
Warning.
Come on.
Shots fired.
Like has been smacked. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend. What's going on, CryptoX? I got this new setup where I can see the chat on the right side here now. It's I can see the chat as I'm looking at the chart. I don't know if that's a good thing because I can see all you guys trolling me while I'm looking at the chart. So I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing. But we'll find out. We'll find out. All right, so 22,483. That's where Bitcoin sits right now. We talked about this morning that be careful for any move to the upside. So this morning we basically saw, right? We were kind of chilling. We got that move to the upside, right? They pulled it back very, very quickly, right? They pulled it back almost instantly and then pulled it right back up to the upside again, right? So you kind of saw that move to the upside and then the instant dump, right? Everyone that FOMO'd in got instantly destroyed to the downside. So there we go. Smashed. This guy can't... Panic Seller, man. You gotta love Panic Seller in the chat. I love Panic Seller. All right, so let's see what we're looking at now, man. All right, so we got 2 vector candles here on the 15-minute time frame. All right, shout out to my guy Tino. If you guys watch Tino, he's the absolute stud. The absolute stud. All right, I'm going to first tell you guys that Horse Guy is going freaking nuts. But first, we got 2 15-minute vector candles here. We actually already came back down and took both. But what I'm watching here for is if we actually go to the hourly time frame, guys, I know we're getting that move to the upside, and we got above the 50 EMA. I don't trust this move just yet, okay? I don't trust this move just yet. We have a yellow vector candle back down here on the hourly time frame that I'm expecting Bitcoin to come back down and take, all right? This is just my opinion. You guys do what you want to do. I personally, right now, okay, we'll see if I get stopped out on stream. But I do have a short. I shorted the back test of the 50 EMA here. So I have a short still open that I'm leaving open on stream. All right, so if I get stopped out, you guys can make fun of me here. My stop loss is right above this previous wick up here. If I get stopped out, guess what? I don't care. I like to tell you guys my trades live on stream. We'll see if I get stopped out. But I'm looking for the move back down. I don't trust this pump just yet. And as we like to know, every single pump that we've got for Bitcoin has gotten retraced back down to the downside. All right?
What? Jordan, you're short? Do you see this pump? This is the real pump. I was told that this was expected and we're going to go back up to the upside. I was told this is a real pump. What? No. This is ridiculous. I am long. I am so long. Where is he?
Yes. Jordan is short. Yes, Jordan is a genius. And Horse Guy has no idea what he's talking about. Yes, we must liquidate him now. He is trusting the fake pump. You know what to do.
Dump it.
These lips are so freaking weird, man. Let me take this off real quick. All right, Horse Guy. Let's see if Horse Guy gets liquidated, guys. I'm short. Horse Guy is long. Let's see what Horse Guy does, man. Let's see what Horse Guy does. But yeah, I'm short from like 22,000. I'm slightly underwater in my short right now. I'm short from it's like 22,000 to it's like 22,200, something like that. So I'm slightly underwater at the moment. We'll see if we bounce back up to the upside. All right. That's fine with me. I don't care if I'm slightly underwater. You got to trust your trades, man. You got to trust your trades. If I get stopped out up here, it is what it is. What's going on, Jack? Thanks for all your work. Thank you. Appreciate you hanging out, man. All right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so I will say the one thing that I think is pretty nice here, if we actually go to the daily time frame, I'm talking short-term moves on that trade, man. Oh wait, actually dump it. The one thing I do like here is it looks like we're at least getting some initial support, right? The wicks are getting bought up here, right? We're getting some good sized wick there in the daily. And we sort of said, if we actually look left, guys, if we look left, We didn't quite come all the way back down to test the previous all-time high. We came back down to like 20,189, right? So we missed the previous all-time high. So we got so freaking close. So freaking close to the previous all-time high. We just missed out. That was at about 19,795. So it looks like they front-run the previous all-time high just a tad. But we didn't quite all come down there. But we know we had those vector candles looking left on the daily. And we perfectly came back and took those. And are now trying to bounce to the upside. Now, I think everyone's question is now, you know, are we going to see a bounce from this level, or are we just going to continue down? Now, it's tough to say. It's tough to say. If we look at the daily RSI is oversold. Typically, when the daily RSI is this oversold for Bitcoin, it does see an initial bounce, right? It does see initial bounce, at least to reset it just a little bit. Doesn't mean that we're going to go after the absolute moon here, but nevertheless, we'll see how high we go. Now, if we look up here, right? So not only is the daily RSI oversold, but we have a giant red vector candle here that we definitely could come back up and retrace to. You know, and quite frankly, guys, if we look at the 200 SMA, what have we talked about, all right? What have we talked about as far as the weekly time frame? Well, we've talked about that we can get a wick below the 200 SMA, right? That's sort of what we talked about. That's sort of what we talked about. Jordan, you're so dumb. You're so dumb. It's just having a slight wick to the upside. We're still going to dump below the 200 SMA. It's not going to hold. This is just a slight pump. You really believe this? You really believe what we're saying? Guys, no one even has money. How are we going to go up to the upside? Me and Savvy have literally been killing it. You guys are so dumb. You need to watch my channel. It's Java Crypto. Java Crypto. I bet you guys at this point, I bet everyone would be watching Java Crypto. I'm not even gonna lie, man. I really bet everyone would be watching Java Crypto at this friggin' point, man. All right, what's going on, Knucklebuster? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, my guy. All right, Panic Seller. So I just did a 75x short on BTC. No, Panic Seller, don't do that, man. Don't do that, man. You are the zookeeper. What's going on, Drew? What's going on? Guys, I hope everyone had a fantastic day. I know everyone was kind of on edge today because we didn't know what was going to happen with this rate hike. Well, it's in now. We can kind of breathe a little bit, at least for now. And at least Bitcoin's kind of holding up for now. So we're not just, I feel like the last couple of days, guys, we've been so glued to the charts because Bitcoin's just been dumping and dumping and dumping and dumping and not showing any any stoppage. But what I like here, guys, on the weekly time frame, there's two things that I'm looking at here. This doesn't mean that the bottom is in, but what I like initially is I like the wick below the 200 week, and I like the retrace back above the 200 week. Okay, I like what I'm seeing right there, and I've been telling you guys, as far as me DCAing, I'm going to be DCAing as close as we can, either at the 200 SMA or below the 200 SMA. So this has been a freaking gift to me, man. This has been a freaking gift because not only did we hit the 200 SMA, but we went pretty far below it, right? We went about, I think it was like 10% below it. I think it was actually 12% is the exact amount. We went 12% below the 200 SMA, right? And not only that, the weekly RSI is oversold. So here's what I'll say, man. The weekly RSI levels are not indicative of a bottom, but what we can say about the RSI is maybe you get some little bounce. At some point here in the near future, maybe you get some little bounce, all right? I understand the macro. I understand that there's really nothing bullish as far as news, right? Everything's kind of bearish as far as news, right? You got record spending on credit cards. You got rate hikes up the wazoo. You got home prices going absolutely nuts, actually starting to come back down a little bit. You got layoffs at companies. You got a bunch of bearish things going on. I get the macro, okay? But at least for the short term, maybe we get some type of, I'm saying not a huge rally, but maybe a slight move to the upside. We will watch this very, very closely. RSI is a meme right now. I would generally agree, Scar. I would generally agree. What else do we got? So, once again, guys, I mean, this has been a perfect indicator, man. Let me actually just refresh this a little bit because this is all kind of jacked up. Let me actually just change the chart up. Let me go here. All right, so you guys can see here. Look at our old fractals, man. Look at our old fractals. Look at them, man. Look at how cute that old fractal is. Oh my lord. Back to when I was Fractal Boy. Holy moly. Holy freaking moly, man. We knew you were a freaking idiot.
We literally knew you were a freaking idiot this whole time, Jordan. Look at your fractal. That thing didn't play out at all. You're an idiot. Look at that. Look at that thing. You said it was going to go up here. It went down here. Look at that fractal, bro. That thing just went absolutely nuts. Yeah, I mean, Fractal Boy, man. You gotta love Fractal Boy back in those days. All right? What's going on, JBH? Killer message, I told you 0%. Jordan's hopium. All right, and I went else out, guys. We got that flash capitulation on the hash ribbon signal. What we said is, in a bear market, when you get that flash of capitulation on the hash ribbons, you are getting close as far as a time frame. Maybe not in price, but as far as time frame, you're getting relatively close to a bottom. I'm gotta say, guys, I'm not confident that that Bitcoin's already hit its bottom. I think it could still wick at some point this week. Just be careful on any like shady price action. You guys know how it is. You guys know how it is. Bitcoin's going to do whatever it wants to do, how it wants to do it, when it wants to do it. All right? We know how this works. We know how this works. No liking to the horse guy. We already had the horse guy here, man. We already had the horse guy here, but he'll come back. Trust me. We had that capitulation on the hash ribbons. When we get that, typically, right, we look at back here in April 2021, we had the capitulation flash, we had the capitulation, and then we went from there. Here we had the capitulation flash. We had the last 2 weeks have been brutal. We dropped from 30K all the way down to 20K, a pretty brutal drop. We go back to 2018. We really go back to March of 2020. You had the capitulation. You had the capitulation, right? 2018. You had the capitulation flash right here. 2 weeks later, bop to the downside. Right? Doesn't mean it's over, but typically when you see that flash, you do get that flash to the downside, and then relatively soon you get the buy signal. And if you guys really want to wait, all right, here's all I'll say: if you guys are bottom dwellers, if you guys are sitting there, waiting for the bottom like the bottom dweller does, man. If you guys are sitting there like this, what's going on, guys? It's the bottom dweller. I'm waiting for the buy signal and the hash ribbons to buy. I'm not buying anything right now. I know Bitcoin just went below the 200 moving average for literally like the fourth time in its history, and I still didn't buy. But I'm waiting for the hash ribbons buy signal to buy, man. Mom, can you pick me up some donuts? No, I don't want 6. No, I want 24. 24 donuts. I want 12 jelly, 6 corn, and 6 chocolate frosted. Yeah. Can you ask for extra frosting on the donut? Thank you. All right. Thank you, bottom dweller. If you guys are waiting for some type of like waiting, you guys don't want to buy yet, you could wait for the buy signal on the hash ribbons. That's usually a good buy opportunity. As we've talked about the last couple streams, I'm going to continue to look at this until we get that buy signal. But it's historically been a very, very good time to buy whenever you get that buy signal on the hash ribbon indicator here. So we're going to watch this as we kind of go. But, man, I do think that that the worst is behind us. I don't think that it's the end. I think the worst is behind us, in my personal opinion. You guys take it for what you will. Let's go check on Bitcoin in the 15-minute time frame. Still just kind of chilling. If you guys are just joining now, I do have a short position in from like 22,200. I am underwater on it. I'm not going to hide my trades. All right. If I have a stop loss above the previous high, if I get wicked out, it is what it is. I don't really care. It's really for fun, and it is to, I thought it was a good setup. So let's see. I'm holding it right now. You got to have confidence in your trades. If you get stopped out, you don't win all your freaking trades, man. You don't win all your trades. It is what it freaking is. So we're still going to see if that one plays out here in the short-term time frames as we kind of go. The hourly doesn't look too bad, right? I would say you're going to hit some, just like you did on this wick right here, you did hit some pretty big resistance here at like 22,800. That's the level we're watching here, man. That's the level we're freaking watching. I am George. We're all George. Guys, Bitcoin is getting a massive bounce right now, and I think this could be the start of the next bull run. Sorry. I didn't mean to say that. We've been in the bull run this whole time. The bull run has not ended. Okay, the bull run has not ended. I totally take that back. Okay? This is the continuation of our current bull market, guys. Okay? So we're building a huge base here at 20K, and I think this could be the start of the rally where we start to go back to all-time highs. All right, you guys know the fear index is clumped up. We know that tech dev's still relying on his fractals, and we know that
quite frankly, when there's big fear in the market, you buy the dips, okay? You buy the dips. Keep buying the dips. We're going to make it. Now, that's all I have to say. Let's do some Q&A. Let's do some freaking Q&A, all right? Let's freaking go, man. Now I'm hyped. Price is green. I'm hyped. Let's go, man. All right, let's see. Gonna go much higher? Yeah, exactly right. We're gonna go much higher. George, you bullish on VeChain? Yeah, of course I'm bullish on VeChain, man. Of course I'm bullish on VeChain. It's going up right now. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. All right. Anyways, let's get George out of here. Let's get George out of here. Holy moly, man. Bullish divergence, wedge breakout, working on wave 3. What more do you need? I see Wayne. I see Wayne. We did break out of a falling wedge too. I didn't even mention. We did break out of a falling wedge. Right? So for all my pattern traders out there, for all my pattern watchers out there, shout out to Tino. It sounded sort of to be a pun, I guess. We did get that breakout of this downtrend of resistance. You guys saw we had this too. So we did break out of a little wedge formation. You know, the technical target of the wedge is the top touch of the wedge, which would be, you know, I would say right here at about 24,178. Does it go that high? Let's wait to find out, right? Let's wait to find out. I'm not totally convinced yet. I want to see if we can get a break of this $22,800 level. I'll be a little bit more confident on that move, if I'm being quite honest. So let's see. Bitcoin's trying to move up right here. Let's see what happens next on BTC. Let's. All right, let's see. Let's see what's going on, man. All right. Let's see what's going on. Oh, the other news. Celsius. Just kind of holding everyone's money. Let's see what BitBoy has to say about Celsius, guys. Let's see what BitBoy has to say about Celsius. Where is he, man? Where is he? Oh, no. Oh, no, guys. I think he's gone. Oh, no, man. This is not good. This is not good. We cannot lose BitBoy here. We cannot lose him. Where is he? Oh, no, man. No, 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 no. We cannot do this. Hold on. Hold on, guys. We got this. Let's watch Bitcoin. So, 22,611. We're trying to get that move to the upside here. Hold on, guys. This is not good. This is not good. This ain't good, man. Oh, Lord, man. Come on, bro. He's gone. We might have to make BitBoy again. We might have to make BitBoy again. That ruined the whole joke, man. That ruined the whole friggin' joke. Come on, bro. Come on, man. That sucks. That sucks, man. All right. All right, we'll have Horse Guy tell the joke. Hold on. Horse Guy, come on, man. Come on, Horse Guy.
What? No! Celsius! I put all my money in Celsius! BitBoy did an interview with them 2 weeks ago and said they were good! This is ridiculous! BitBoy told me they were good in an interview! All my money's in there! No! All my $200! What am I supposed to do? This is manipulation! This is manipulation! Why me? Why me?
Oh, shit, man. All right. Oh, God. Hold on, hold on, hold on. All right. There we go. All right. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Anyways. All right. Anyways. Like we said, guys, there's a lot of things going on right now. If we look at the S&P, all right, the S&P tried to get a bounce back up today. We still have these two wicks here, right? We still have right here. Holy moly, I'm blurry, man. Hold up. I am blurry as hell. Hold up. Hold up. I'm blurrier than I don't even know what's going on here. So we got 1,500 people in here, 500 likes. Guys, next goal, 700 likes. Smack up that like button for your boy. Let's talk some charts. Let's hang out. We got the daily close coming up in 36 minutes. We'll see where Bitcoin closes, all right? If you want to see me get stopped out on my short, let me know in the chat. Maybe it'll happen, all right? If you want to see me get stopped out, it is what it is. All right, daily time frame. We still got these two gaps, man. You got to think, and I know people say, oh, the gaps are memes. You got to think that they come up and take these gaps, man. You got a gap up here, and you get a gap up here on the S&P. you got to think that they're going to come up and take these gaps. You know, could that lead to Bitcoin maybe having a little bit of a short-term rally? That could be another sign, right? We know Bitcoin's correlated to those. That could definitely be a sign. Let me move this over here real quick. You guys want to see the chat? There we go. We got the chat rocking. Look at that, man. The chat is literally rocking right now. Look at the chat. Love you guys in the chat. Look at, you can see Wayne on the stream. You can see Mike on the stream. This clown loses filters all the time. They're not filters. They're real people. I have guests on my stream, okay? NASDAQ. Check out the NASDAQ real quick. Same thing for the NASDAQ, right? You got 2 daily gaps to the upside. You got to think they come and take these, man, right? You got to think they come and fill these. So could be another reason that Bitcoin maybe gets some slight move to the upside. There we go. There we go. About time. Let me move this over here. Hi, YouTube. Everyone say hi on YouTube, man. There we go. I see me in 2 different places. That's funny, man. That's funny. How's everyone feeling today? Guys, I want to do a quick enthusiasm in the chat. There's a lot of enthusiasm. Price is going up. And everyone seems like in a really good mood today. Maybe it's because I'm in a good mood, right? I guess maybe that kind of rubs off on everyone else. But it is what it is. Guys, we have 2 giveaways today, by the way. Thanks to Clint. By the way, Clint, you're a friggin' stud, man. We have 2 giveaways today. We're gonna call it $70 to keep it even. It's easier. All right. $70 giveaway for members and $70 giveaway for a random person in the chat as well. So make sure you guys are spamming the chat. They're going to be people that are in the chat. All right. We're going to do that shortly. We'll do that at the daily close. So make sure you're sticking around. We're going to do that at the daily close, guys. Okay. But yeah, same thing on the NASDAQ. We have 2 gaps to the upside. You got to think that they come back up and take these gaps, man. You know what I'm saying? All right. So we have those. And let's actually go look at the DXY here. Let's see. So we have the DXY. Let's go check out the DXY real quick. All right. Our hope for the DXY, at least for the short term, and you guys can see we're getting that red candle print. What did we say yesterday? If we can get a red candle print on the DX if we get a red candle print, if I could talk, a red candle print, I should say, we could see that bearish divergence on the DXY. And this is maybe something that could give Bitcoin a little bit of life to get a slight bounce to the upside. You know, we have higher highs on the DXY, and we have lower highs on the DXY RSI. Now, you know, people say, hey, you can't use the DXY and the RSI. RSI and the DXY. Well, I'll say last time we had RSI divergence, which was right here, the DXY did get a few days of red, all right? Which Bitcoin actually did go up slightly during those days. So let's see what happens here. But this could be a slight pullback on the DXY. Not like it's going to crash, right? The DXY is not going to come down right now, right? People are already extremely bearish. But you might see a slight pullback here in the DXY, which could bring Bitcoin up with it, which also would allow like the NASDAQ to come up and fill these gaps, which also would allow the S&P to come up and fill its gaps, right? We know we love to fill gaps here, right? We know we love to fill gaps on the stream, man. That's all we love to see. Hold up. We love to fill gaps, my friends.
I love to fill gaps. There's one gap I really want to fill. She was around the blockchain today. I really want to fill her gap. Yeah. I've never filled anyone's gap before. No one's gap. I wonder why. Around the blockchain. Ah, shit. I guess I'll just do it myself. Again. I love around the blockchain. Shit.
Oh, Lord. We have too much fun in here, man. We have too much fun. We really do have too much fun in here, man. We do some weird shit. Oh, I'm still Bob. We do some weird shit in here, man. If you guys are new to the stream, guys, we're super, super weird in here, okay? We have fun in my stream. We also look at charts, and we have fun, okay? If you don't like streams that have fun, well, guess what? There's a million other streams out there that will just look at charts. You know, we look at the charts and we have fun, all right? That's what we do here. That's how I am. That's how I've always made my channel that way, all right? So if you don't like it, guess what? Pop, pop, pop. You can take a red dildo just like Bitcoin's been doing the last, I don't know how long, I'll say. What's going on, Fallen Angel? The real Jordan. What's going on, man? Classic. You can't handle the gap. We're blurry, man. Usually that's what happened when Bob's jerks off on stream, man. Oh, Lord. Well, freaking Lord. All right. What else do we got, man? We've looked at a bunch of things here. Let's actually go look at Ethereum real quick. Because I know people are like, oh, what's Ethereum doing? Ethereum's actually doing not too bad. Let me actually take this. Hold on one second, guys. I'm trying to get this to freaking move here. That's going to be annoying, man. That might be one thing I have to change there. All right. Let me actually bring this up here. Let me go check out Ethereum. Ethereum, and then we'll go back to Bitcoin, see what Bitcoin's doing. See if Jordan's going to get stopped out on his short here. All right, so Ethereum, kind of the same thing, right? You're getting a blue vector candle here. You're getting some nice buy-ins here, right? Some nice buy-ins. We know Bitcoin's at its 200-week moving average, right? You would expect Ethereum to have maybe a little support there as well. We look left, right? Where do we get a bounce off of? Let's look left. Let me actually just mark the low here and see where we bounced off of. So 1100 was the level we went to, which was today, actually, for Ethereum. We look left. You had some wick supports looking left, right? You had a couple wick supports looking left, all right? So, and I think also, if we actually go back and look, man, let's actually go back and look what else we had. So we had, let's go back over here and look. I think there was a Fibonacci level also on Ethereum. If we take swing low to swing high, yeah, look at that, man. Look at that. If we can get a close above the 786 fib, look where Ethereum is right now. From the March 2020 crash, let's actually take from this low here. If we actually take this low to the top, look exactly where Ethereum got a bounce. Right off, right? Look at that perfectly, man. Right off that 786 fib level. That's beautiful, man. You can't, if you say that Fibonacci's don't work, at least for some support levels, they might not hold. But look at that exact wick to the 786 retracement from the bear market low to the bull market high. You cannot say that the Fibonacci's don't work, at least for some support. That's beautiful, man. That is absolutely beautiful. So, literally right there. So, that's perfect. Let's see if that continues to hold, right? We're getting a move back above it on this daily close. That's beautiful. We'll see if this continues to hold, man. That's absolutely beautiful. So, now we're looking for a bounce back up here. Hold on 1 second, guys. 1 second, man. Hold up.
Jordan, my name is Pencil Neck. Okay, I'm a pencil neck in the chat. Do you see the macro? Doesn't care about Fibonacci levels. Doesn't care about anything. Everyone should be selling their portfolio right now. We need to dump. We need to dump everything. Every single thing. You see the macro? You need to sell low and buy high, okay? Sell right now, and you need to buy back when Bitcoin's pumping. That's what you need to do. Everyone needs to sell our portfolio right friggin' now, all right? We are in a bearish macro economy. We are going back down to the downside, and nothing will save you from it. Literally nothing. Literally nothing. Thanks, Pencil Neck. Pencil Neck. Hey, Pencil Neck. Pencil Neck. We all didn't know what was going on, man. We're completely oblivious. We live in a little bubble. We had no idea. We had no idea that the macro was bearish. We had no idea, man. Holy moly, my mind is blown.
Rant alert.
Thanks, Pencil Neck in the chat. Holy moly, man. You gotta love some of these pencil necks. You gotta love some of these low IQ pencil necks, as BitBoy and Crypto Face would say. All right. So right now, guys, Bitcoin just chilling, 22,560. Let's continue to watch BTC here on the 15-minute time frame. Man, and even if we go to like the 5-minute, if you want to get super degen here, which I guess you can call me slightly degen here with some of my trades. We do have on the 5-minute chart, guys. Let's watch this very, very closely. If Bitcoin wants to be bullish, what it's going to do here is this, right? You got a possible M formation forming here. What you don't want to see is Bitcoin break back below the 13 EMA here. If it breaks back below the 13 EMA, it could definitely have a move back down to the 50, right? All the way back down to like 22,132, which is not a huge move for your traders out there. Might be a decent move, right? You still got a vector candle back down here in the 5-minute. You got a vector candle back here in the 5-minute. You got a vector candle here in the 5-minute. That Bitcoin hasn't came back down and taken yet. So, my thinking and why I'm short right now is you know, the M formation, right, back down to take these levels here, right? That's sort of my thinking. Am I going to be wrong? Well, that's why you don't always get your trades right, and that's why you do stop losses, right? But I'm looking for a move like that. We'll see if it plays out, right? We'll see if it plays out. But that's sort of my thinking of what I'm looking at right now, man. So we'll watch that very, very patiently here on the stream and see what's going back down to the downside. Because as we know, guys, every single rally for Bitcoin has just gotten sold off, right? How many of these have we seen? We've seen consistent amount of Bart Simpson patterns, man. Let's go look at Bart. Will this turn into just another Bart Simpson pattern back down to the downside? You guys let me know. Let me know in the chat right now before I get rid of Bart. Will this just be another Bart Simpson pattern back down to the downside? Or will we close, okay? Will we close the deal here, and will Bitcoin continue up higher? Let me know in the chat. I want to know what you guys think in the chat. I really, really do, because I'm sick of these Bart Simpson patterns, man. I'm sick of the Bart Simpson patterns. So let's see. Let's see what kind of goes down here. You know what I'm saying? All right, hold up. Let me go back over here and short these nuts. The only thing listen, man. I hope Bitcoin bounces up here. As you guys are telling, I've been DCAing these levels like crazy, man. Because I'm sticking based off the future. My short is for a short-term trade. All right, this is a short-term trade. I'm not looking for hold this, forever. This is a short-term trade for me. As far as long-term, man, listen, man, we're getting that reset that we're looking for, and people are getting opportunities that, quite frankly, you guys know my take. I did not think that we go have a weekly close below the 200 SMA. Right now, we're sitting right top above it. People are getting opportunities that, quite frankly, I did not think that we were going to see again, right? And I think a lot of people in the chat at some point, right, when Bitcoin was up here, a lot of people in the chat did not think that we'd see these prices for Bitcoin and altcoins again, all right? So I'm taking advantage, okay? I've been buying these levels like crazy for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. If the price goes lower, it doesn't matter to me. These are long-term holds, and I'm telling you, 20K BTC, when the next run-up happens, is going to be an absolute steal. You guys do what you want to do. I told you I'm sticking to my plan. When Bitcoin was up here and it was being kind of boring for a few weeks, I told you, have a plan and freaking stick to it, all right? I want to ask you guys now. Now that we've gotten the drop, right? The drop that we've been talking about for a while. Now that we got the drop from this bear flag, have you guys sticking to your plan, or are you guys still being little nut burgers? You guys being still little nut burgers? Let me know in the chat. If you're being little nut burgers, that's okay, right? That's okay. Everyone has their own opinion, but let me know what you guys have been doing. CryptoX, what's going on, man? What's going on, man? When I talk about my short-term trades, guys, they don't at all reflect what my longer-term plans are, okay? These are just short-term trades just to make more money to be able to DCA, right? That's really all it is. That's really all it is, all right? All my profits I put right back in. I put right back into the hodl bags, if you know what I mean, at the end of the day. Nut burger? Who here has eaten a nut burger? Who has eaten a nut burger? And I'm telling you right, I know some of you guys in the chat are going to be like this. I've never eaten a nut burger. I've never eaten a nut burger. What's a nut burger? What is that, Jordan? What is that? If you ask what it is, that probably means that you've eaten a nut burger before, man. I do have to say. DCA and hodling, let's freaking go. Let's freaking go, the brown kid. Let's go. Vegan nut burger. Bought some yesterday. There you go, Kent. There you go, man. Nut burger. Hey, Dano, you do what you want to do, man. I'm not here to tell you what to do. You know, that's not what I'm here for. You know what I'm saying? Stack sats and pay yourself. There you go, Dan. Stack sats and pay yourself. I love it, my friend. Master Clint, hungover. Where's my guy Clint? Is Clint in the chat? Oh, you guys want to do a poll? What poll should we do? We'll do a poll here shortly. So we got 22 minutes into the daily close here, guys. Let's continue to discuss a few different things here. Let's go into the 4-hour time frame and see what's possible. All right, let's see what's possible for BTC. Maybe not what's going to necessarily happen, but let's see what's possible. So we know that Bitcoin's breaking to the upside here. We haven't touched the 4-hour 50 EMA since June 10th. So we have almost 5 days of coming back down and touching it. All right. I will say, I don't think this is a likely scenario. But, you know, I bet there's a lot of people who open shorts to the downside here, man. There's a lot of freaking people who open shorts to the downside, and it probably still have them open here, right? Look at this red vector candle, yellow, white vector candle, red vector candle, white vector candle. There's probably a lot of people who are just chilling in short positions up here, right? At some point, you got to think that the market makers are going to come back up and take those, right? Are they going to come back up, liquidate those mofos, right? Just to bring it back down to the downside? You got to think at some point that they're going to liquidate all those all these mofos, right? I can't really call them mofos because they've been right so far. You got to think at some point they come up and liquidate them, right? As we know, nothing really comes down in a straight line, even though that's what we kind of seen the last few days, if we're being honest. You got to think they come up and liquidate these mofos. And as we know, right? As we know for BTC, guys, if you think this is the bottom, all right? Real quick, if you think this is the bottom, which a lot of people do. What's going on, guys? It's Savvy. We are nowhere close to the bottom. We are literally nowhere close to the bottom, guys. Bitcoin has a long way to go. I told you guys, since 69K, I've been trying to tell you guys, this is the Amazon chart fractal. We are still going back down to 3K. I'm telling you right now, right? I will be buying at 3K, but until then, nothing has changed, guys. This is literally the dot-com bubble all again, and we are going all the way back down to 3K for Bitcoin. Nothing has freaking changed, guys. Nothing has freaking changed. All right, let's do some Litecoin TA.
Nothing has changed.
Make a Canada guy. What do you think?
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam.
Thank you, Savvy, man.
Cryptocurrency is clearly
this is not the bottom.
Idiot with no common
Hold up.
sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
All right, just jump back into it. Even if you think this is the bottom, guys, I want to make this clear. All right, I want to make this clear for everyone in the back. Even if you think that this could be the bottom, first smack up the like button, guys. Let's get to 700 likes right now. If you think this is the bottom, Bitcoin never just does V-shaped recoveries. I will say it again. Bitcoin never just does V-shaped recoveries. So even if you think this is the bottom, and even if you think that Bitcoin's going to get a rise up here, I have to assume, right, based off what Bitcoin's done in the past, and based off what most assets do, they're going to come back down and retest before they bring it back to the upside, right? We never see the V-shaped recoveries. Even March of 2020, which was an absolute catastrophic event, right? Pumped back up to like 6K and then came all the way back down to 4K before continuing back up to the upside, right? So even if you think this is the bottom, I got to assume that it's going to come back down and test these levels again at some point. This is if you think it's the bottom. Do I think it's necessarily the bottom just yet? I'm not 100% confident in that. I'm not in the business of calling for a bottom right now. There's way too many things going on in the world and in the economy for me to just sit here and call a bottom. I think it's dumb to call a bottom right now. All right. All we can do is look at the facts that we have in front of us. All right. You got to think, even if you think it's the bottom, it's going to come back down here at some point. Right. So just be careful. And the reason why I say that is this. Like if we see that move to the upside, I don't want you to see it start to move back down and you start to absolutely like panic if you think it's the bottom, because we'll see something like this at the bottom. That's how you'll know it's the bottom, when you see a bigger macro W formation start to form. That's when you're gonna know it's the bottom, in my opinion. And I'm gonna wait until then for me to call a bottom. I don't think we've seen it yet. I think we at least come back down and test these levels if we continue up. But that's sort of my thinking as far as that, man. That was a big W. Yeah, man. Seriously. Stocks, bonds acting weird. True. True. Drew is going to win this giveaway. Lies, Beth. All right, guys. We got 17 minutes until the day to close. We have 2 giveaways going on. One for the members and one for anyone. So the members could win 2, right? In theory. 2 $70 giveaways. Thanks to Clint from yesterday. As always, guys, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is type in the chat. We're going to do it like we usually do. I'm going to pick someone random as I scroll up and down in the chat. I'm going to pick someone random. Just make sure you get in the chat, all right? You got 17 minutes. If you want to type in the chat, it means you got to subscribe to the channel too. So make sure you subscribe. We're here 2 times every day just discussing the charts. We have fun here, man. We have fun and we look at the charts. That's what we do, man. That's what we do. Even during these times, we try to have fun, right? These aren't the fun times. Everyone's not like rip-roaring, right? We're not partying right now, right? We don't have any pump song going on, but we still sit here and we still have as much fun as we can, even though I know a lot of people are down big, all right? I get it. I'm not oblivious to it. You know, since 69K, my portfolio is down too. It is what it is, right? But we're going to have as much fun as we can during these times because I'm going to tell you guys right now, just a quick rant alert, all right? A quick rant alert here.
Rant alert.
I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you based off previous precedents, we're going to look back at these times and say, why the F, to keep it PG, because I know there's a lot of kids that watch my channel. They love this.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
All right? Why the F did I not accumulate more at these times? We're all going to look back. No matter how much you accumulate, you're going to look back and say, why the F did I not accumulate more? All right? These are the fun times in crypto. And these are the times that are going to separate the people that are going to FOMO back into Floki Inu at the top or the people that are going to continue, right, to keep their head in the crypto game. Whether you're buying right now or you're waiting for lower, these are the times you want to pay attention to the crypto market, man. I'm telling you, man. All right. So, what else we got going on here? Let me actually read some of these super chats here. We had Lord Mario said another dip. Didn't buy today. Fiat was unavailable. I'm not confident in this move up for Bitcoin, though. These sell-offs right now, Bitcoin, these little sell-offs are not that strong, right? These are very shallow sell-offs. And when you see these shallow sell-offs, right, just be wary of the Bart Simpson pattern, right? When you get up here and you just kind of oscillate sideways, just be wary of the Bart Simpson. But I'm not confident in this move to the upside as of right now. Just like every pump we've seen lately, guys, for the past like 6 months, they get sold off pretty quickly, all right? So just keep that in mind. I'm going for this. I have a short position in, so I have skin in the game. If I get stopped out, it is what it is. I'm just going based off what I think. Lost for Words with the $2.99 stupid sticker. What's going on, Lost for Words? I appreciate you for hanging out, man. Ead became a member. What's going on, Ead? Warwick Finest, member for 8 months, man. Holy moly, bro. Holy moly. Love to see you in here, man. Pump it. 8 months, bro. What did you say? Let's spread the word and get Jordan to his 69K subs. We only need 1.6K more. Jordan, you're always awesome. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Yeah, I mean, the last couple days have been freaking awesome, man. We've been freaking killing it in here. So, let's keep it up, man. Let's keep it up. Seriously. We got the new monitor up here. The angle is kind of weird. So if I look kind of shady, like if I look like I look a little suspect, right? You guys know when we had the bathroom streams back in the day, I looked super suspect, right? The only person that should be having bathroom streams, quite frankly, is Bob and Jabba.
Wow, I'm taking a shit. Just like Bitcoin. How fitting. I love shorting Bitcoin on my phone on Bybit while I take a shit. This is awesome. Oh my God, Bitcoin's shitting. Bob, isn't it awesome? It's so awesome. It's so awesome. I get to buy more Shiba.
No, but seriously, man. All right. Need horse face to get my like. Nice, man. Hey, we did horse face, so I hope you liked, bro. Hope you liked. All right, appreciate those guys. All right, so we're coming up here shortly. We got 13 minutes until the daily close, guys. We've been talking about charts for 47 minutes now, right? I always like to, I love your channel. Thank you, man. What's going on, Clint? Good to see you, my friend. Rafi said, Jordan might as well just be called Java. Hey, the trend is your friend until the end, man. The trend is your friend until the end. So one of my biggest lessons I've learned in this market, man. Short's getting wrecked. There's a whole slew of coins that need pump songs. A whole slew? Let's go check out some altcoins. What do we need, guys? What altcoins do you want me to check out? Put them in the chat. Drew said, dude, my mom heard that fart. She says she can't watch anymore. Is she a Karen, man? Let me know what altcoins you guys want to see in the chat. Spam the chat. Don't spam it too much. Just put altcoin one time what you want to see in the chat. We'll look at some altcoins, man. We've talked about Bitcoin for 48 minutes now. You guys are probably sick of Bitcoin. We'll continue to monitor it, but we'll go from here. Total market cap, trying to bounce to the upside. All right, so total market cap looks good. Man, am I 100% still confident on this move for total market cap? I want to check the fibs for total market cap too. I'm going to see if we actually went to the 786 retracement on this as well. Let's see, man. Let's see. Let's take the swing low to the swing high on this. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. Dude, there's just so much confluence right here at about 713 billion. Not only is the 786 retracement sitting right there for total market cap, not only that, but you also have the previous all-time high from January 2018 sitting right at that level, okay? And you also have, if we actually look over here, we also have, if we zoom in a little bit, let's see, what was over here, man? I think it was the weekly. Was it the weekly time frame I was looking at? Hold up. We also have those two things, and we have, it was a daily vector candle sitting right back there too that never got taken. But there's also a weekly one there too, right? So there's a lot of confluence there for total market cap. I know that seems like a freaking crazy move, but if we look at that, that's about a 24% move. That's not that crazy. That's not that crazy in the grand scheme of things. I know we're all getting excited and the market's pumping right now, and we all want to see it go up, right? We all want to see Jimmy, right? We all want to see Jimmy get excited again, right?
Jordan, this better be the pump. George, you told me we're gonna go up. Strap up. We're going to the freaking moon. George, if we don't pump right now, I'm gonna find you. I am gonna freaking find you. I'm gonna stick this plunger right up your freaking ass. If we don't pump right now, you see this plunger? I'm gonna stick this whole thing right up your ass, George. Strap up. We're going to the freaking moon. Say it with me, guys. Say it with me. Jimmy Stimmy is going to the moon.
I think Jimmy needs another Stimmy at this point, man. I think Jimmy needs another freaking Stimmy at this point. Bandito said Luna Classic. I got you, man. Rafi, appreciate the super chat, man. Thanks for trolling, bro. Thanks for trolling. No, but in all honesty, I'm sick of Jimmy being pissed off. Right? And quite honestly, that's about a 26% move. It seems like a crazy move, but in the last 2 weeks, I mean, we've seen at the lows about a 27% move in the last 2 weeks. It's not that crazy to think about, right? I know like I said, I know everyone's getting hyped. Like Bitcoin price is moving up right now. If we zoom out, it's like that freaking meme, man. It's like the meme, right? I know we're getting pumped, but if we zoom out, just right now, we gotta wait for confirmation. Everything could change, but if we zoom out, this is what this pump looks like. All right. You can't even see it on the freaking charts, all right? So let's continue to have some patience. Let's not get over carried away. But, at least right now, at least we're getting some type of pump, man. It's not too bad. All right, let's check out some altcoins. We got 9 minutes into the close, guys. 9 minutes into the daily close. Where do we want to see a close for Bitcoin? Well, I think what we would like is at least try to engulf this previous candle here. So you guys can see the white candle here. Let's try to at least engulf there. Right? So let's get the Viking in the chat. All right? Let's freaking go, man.
Vikings in the chat. Spam the swords and spam your freaking shields in the chat. We will fight for the daily close and close above that Mia White candle. We will push the bears back for where you came from. So I want all the bulls in the chat to type sword, type shield. If you cannot find the sword emoji, just type it. And let me see those sword emojis in the chat right now. We will fight and we will take back the land that is rightfully ours at 23K. Fight, bulls, fight.
I don't know if there's any more bulls in the chat, man. I think most of the bulls actually flip bearish. I'm going to be quite honest. Where's all my balls, man? Kick those bears in the balls. Kick Savvy in the balls, man. Come on, man. I'm ready to kick Savvy in the balls. I don't know about you. It's been a long time. Kick him in the freaking balls. All right, there we go. Right now I'm short, so if you want to kick me in the balls, kick me in the freaking balls. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Rich said AVAX. I got you on AVAX. All right, let's look at a few alts here. So we had AVAX. We had Luna We had Luna Classic, which I don't know if we're all pumped for Luna Classic. It is what it is. Sword, I love it. Look at all the bulls. The bulls are back. The bulls are back and ready to fight back. I love it, man. 726 likes. We're killing it. We're hitting 1,000 likes on today's stream. Let's freaking get it. Let's hit 1,000 likes right now, guys. Drop the BS. Drop the BS. If you enjoy this stream every single day, smack that like button. Let's drop the freaking BS. All right? If you don't like the stream, well, you hit the like button, dislike button too. It does the same thing. It helps out just as much. All right, so let's actually go check out. So we checked out ETH. We said it's at a decent level. You know, let's actually go real quick to like the hourly chart in ETH, see what we can look at here. We got it back above the 50 EMA. I'm just going to say, just be careful on this for Ethereum, guys. We have a yellow vector candle right back down here. So another reason why I could see the price coming back down for Bitcoin, right? We know Ethereum usually follows Bitcoin. Ethereum has a yellow vector candle right here and also a wick to come back down here and take, right? So you got this wick, you got the yellow vector candle. I'm still expecting, even if you move up here, I'm still expecting it to come back down into this range, right? I got to assume it's going to come back down to that range at one point. The only thing that's good at the moment is at least you're above the 50 EMA. So let's watch this very carefully. No bullish, no bearish divergence on the RSI. Nothing really to look at there. But the hourly is not looking too shabby. Just be careful because you do obviously have, we're just looking at resistance levels. You obviously have a big resistance right here looking left. I'm actually just going to actually make this red so we can see that resistance level. Why is it all jacked up? Why is it? Oh, that's the friggin', what the hell, man? Why is this all jacked up? All right, there we go. Opacity. Let's put the resistance level there. We'll watch that. But we do have a big resistance level right here, at which I think that we could get it pulled back all the way back down into this range. Right? So we'll watch that as we go. If Ethereum can anyway find support on the 50 EMA or break through this resistance, oh man, we might be having a field day here. We might be having a field day. All right, so let's watch Ethereum closely. But that's what I'm watching for Ethereum on the short-term time frames. I'm getting a lot of Chainlink. Let's check out Chainlink real quick. Chain freaking link. Right, and I know everyone in the chat. All right, the Moon Boys in the chat, or not the Moon Boys, but the Pencil Necks in the chat. Right, the trolls in the chat. Jordan, why are we looking at altcoins? Altcoins don't matter. They're gonna follow Bitcoin. There's literally no point in looking at altcoins, you idiot. Mom, can you put my meatloaf in the... No, I don't want it in the microwave today. I don't want it. I just want it cold. Yeah, we can't afford electricity. It's the bear market. Can you just put it on the table cold? It doesn't even matter because the ketchup's cold anyway. No, 4 pieces. 4. Not 3 today. 4. I'm freaking hungry. Okay? I've been beating off like crazy. Okay? Freaking Christ. Big Christ, man. Camirand was around the blockchain today. I've been beating off like crazy. Christ, man. No, I know everyone's going to say that. Obviously, there's no... I get it. Altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin. I'm not an idiot. But let's look at it. Maybe it can give us a clue what's going to happen for Bitcoin. It's the same thing, right? You've seen a pretty rapid move up to the upside here, right? Let's just stick on the hourly time frame. Chainlink back above the 50, all right? Back above the 50. You got it back above the 200 EMA. All right, so Chainlink looks pretty good. But guys, what do we know about Chainlink? All right? What do we know about What do we know about Chainlink? Okay? What do we know? What do we know? Well, here's what we know. When Chainlink is pumping, all right, harder than the rest of the market, what does that usually mean for Bitcoin? And you guys are going to say, Jordan, that's not an indicator. Go and look. When Chainlink's outperforming the rest of the market, Bitcoin usually has a dump coming, okay? And I don't mean that lightly. And I don't mean that just to be a bear. We've talked about that multiple times on this channel. Chainlink is pumping right now. But I don't know if that's a good thing. I'm going to be honest. I don't know if that's a good thing. All right, so let's keep that in mind. Same thing for Chainlink that we're looking at with, Ethereum. Chainlink actually has an hourly vector candle all the way back down here in this range at 550 and actually has one all the way back down here. If you're wondering what that means, basically just means that you had high volume in here, right? And the market makers like to come back down into those candles, right? So let me actually just take this off right here. There we go. So we could go back out into these two ranges, right? So watch these very, very carefully. Could we see can we still see a move up in the short term? Yes, we could definitely see a move up in the short term, but I'm still expecting to come back down in my personal opinion. So let's watch right now for Chainlink. All right, right now for Link is evil. It is evil. Link is the true fortune teller. It is. I'm not just saying that for your bear. Go in the charts and look at when Chainlink's outperformed other coins. Bitcoin always dumps. All right. All right. Hold up. So that's Chainlink. Can it pump up higher? Yes. just keep in mind, all right, if we actually look left too, we're right at previous support, right? Right at previous support here. So let me actually mark this off for a chain link. You guys can see chain link is right at support right here, right at resistance too, right? Previous support, you came back up. Let's see if you can get back over that. Same thing as ETH. You get back over this. All right. Happy days, as my guy Tino would say. Tino is the freaking best teacher in the world, man. I've been watching his Patreon videos like crazy. Haven't been into the master classes, but Tino's freaking teaching me a lot, man. We can get back above this. All right, awesome. We can continue up. Awesome stuff. Let's continue to watch this. We'll keep looking at Chainlink. I still think it's coming back down, man. I'm going to be perfectly honest here shortly. DXY ain't dumping. Oh, my God. We got Bob in here. Holy moly. Bob's in the room. All I can say is it wasn't me that burped. Oh, Lord, man. 8. All right, let's look at, we did Chainlink. What else did you guys ask for? You guys asked for some other stuff in the chat here. Facts. So we did Chainlink. All right. Let's see. What did Link do last bear market? Bathwater. You're right, man. It's a weird reason why I love Chainlink, if I'm going to be honest. All right, what else do you guys ask for here? You guys asked for Luna Classic. Luna Classic burn. We can look at Luna Classic. Does that mean Luna Classic is dumping? Let's take a look. Take a quick look at Luna Classic. Luna Classic. Ethereum Classic. Luna Classic. I can't think Classic. I think Classic like I'm an idiot. Classic. All right. Terra Luna Classic. That sounds so long. That's like obnoxiously long. All right. Terra Luna. I mean, is there a point of looking at this? Bob would like this. This is like a meme coin now.
Terra Luna is awesome! Don't make fun of it, Jordan. Look at how many zeros it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. It's awesome. Do not make fun of Luna Classic. It's going to be the next best meme coin. It's literally a meme. Buy it now. He's so annoying, man. Bob is so annoying. Bob is probably the least person I want to hang out with out of everyone on the show. All right? Everyone on the show. I'd rather hang out with Horse Guy than freaking Bob. Let me tell you, man. Holy moly. All right, so Luna Classic, at least here in the short term, right? Luna sucks. It does suck. Let Bob do the TA. All right, we'll let Bob do the TA. All right, let's see how Bob do the TA. All right, I'm going to do TA here. All right? I'm the best at TA. All right? I'll show you. All right, let's do some TA. So we got back above the 50 EMA. All right, that's what we want to see. Move it back above the 50 EMA, back testing the 50 EMA. Awesome. And now we're getting the move to the upside. That's the exact setup you want to see. All right? Now, keep in mind, you got big resistance coming up here. This is so dumb. You got big resistance. Big resistance coming right here. I see Luna Classic getting rejected from this range. All right, I'm gonna stop. That's enough. That's enough of that. That's enough of that, man. That's enough of that. We got the daily close, by the way. We got the giveaway coming up. By the way, we're doing the giveaway coming up right now at the daily close. $70 giveaway for members, $70 giveaways for everyone else. All right. Just say cup and handle and call it a day. Drew, I see what you're looking at, Drew. Drew, I see what you're saying. Cup and handle or walk away. Let's look at the meme cup and handle pattern. Let's look at it, man. No, but just call it cup and handle and walk away. Cup and handle to the upside. Cup and handle to the upside. Pump it. All right, I'm done. Look for right here, right? So you got resistance right here, you got resistance right here. You break back above this, hey, we could be getting a slight move. All right, we got the daily open. We're getting a pump. Here we go, man. We got a pump. There it is. All right, there we go. Slight move. Bitcoin is creating another vector candle. Let's see what Bitcoin does here, man. Let's see what Bitcoin does. Can we break the highs again for BTC? Let's see. Let's friggin' see. Is Jordan gonna get stopped out of his trade? If there's any whales watching the stream, you better not stop me out. You better not stop me out of my short, man. Don't do it.
Don't you do it. Don't you stop me out of my short. I'm trying to find the Bart Simpson pattern here. Back down to the downside, man. Don't you dare stop me out of my short. You better not do it. I'll be very, very pissed off if you do. No, but Luna Classic, I mean, listen, man. It's still the same thing. You got a wick here to the downside. You got yellow vector candle here on the hourly. Let's see what you kind of do. I mean, you could honestly extend this resistance up to these wicks here. I would even say that this is probably the bigger resistance right here. Right? We got wick support and you got wick highs. This is probably the bigger resistance right here. So I'd watch that level more for Luna Classic, more than anything else. Better you lose the short than eat the sock. Yeah, I would agree. I would rather my hodl portfolio go up than this little measly short position. To be honest, man. To be honest. All right. Moon helmet or bust. So I say you shorted too early. It is what it is. It is what it is. Fumble set. I'm in a short 22.6. Let's find out. Now you do it. Don't you do it, Bitcoin. Do not do it to me. Do not do it. All right, let's look at the daily close. So daily close. All right, Vikings. We got the daily close. We got the bullish engulfing candle after two pretty big wicks to the downside here. It's a good sign. I would say for what you want to see, if there's anything you could take out of the end of the day, I don't think we could have asked for a better day, right? You basically got a giant sell-off back down to 20,000, 20,119, all right? 20,119. And then you basically got the giant buyback. And you got the bullish engulfing on the daily. So I don't think you really could have asked for a better day. I mean, obviously you could have pumped up higher. But, I mean, for what you can do, right? For really all what you can do based off what the news we had today and everything else, all considering, not the worst day in the world, all right? Not the worst day in the world. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. You know what I'm saying? We'll definitely take it there. All right, so Jordan's still alive. Jordan is still alive at the moment. All right, let's see if he gets liquidated. I think my liquidation was was up here somewhere. I forget what the exact amount was, but it was slightly above 22,850. All right, let's do the worst French accent ever. It ain't French. French? Come on, man. Bought my first whole ETH earlier. Nice, man. That's what I'm freaking talking about. That's the news that we want to see. That's what I want to hear in the chat. I don't want to be hearing this. There's literally no volume. There's literally no volume. We're going back down to 5K. I haven't bought Bitcoin since 69K. I bought at 69K. I sold at 20K. And now I'm waiting for 5K. There's no volume for Bitcoin. I bought at 69, sold at 20, and now I'm waiting for volume to come in at 5K. That's literally what I did. There's no freaking volume for Bitcoin. No volume. That's not the shit I want to hear. I want to hear the shit that someone bought their whole first full ETH, or someone bought their whole first Bitcoin, or it doesn't even have to be those. Someone bought their whole first link. Okay? Even that is great. So I love to see it, man. I love to see it. I love to friggin' see it. Don't tempt me with no volume, said Miller. All right, so I would say, I mean, we did what we could do. We did what we could do on the. Let me get rid of it. I guess we can keep this like this. You know, we did what we can do with what we could do. All right, so let's do it. Let's do. If I could actually take this, can I move this? No. Can I move this? Oh, can I full screen it? Oh, hell yeah. Actually, let me, can I actually fix this? There we go. That's what I wanted to do. All right. Let's do the quick poll. Let's do this route. We'll watch the Bitcoin chart on the left, and we'll do the two giveaways. All right? We're watching the Bitcoin chart on the left. We're going to do the blah, 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 blah. I'm going to do the oh my God, I can't talk. What is wrong with me, man? Sometimes I just can't talk. I try to talk, and I'm like, what the hell am I doing? We got 823 likes. Smack up the like for the two giveaways, man. Thank you. Say thank you to Clint. Clint is the reason why we're doing this. Clint is the absolute homie. I mean, Clint's been one of the best supporters of the channel, and this is because of him. So if anyone doesn't like Clint, you know what? Screw you. If you don't like Clint, I don't like you. All right? Seriously. All right, so let's go here. Let's go here. So let me actually, how do I get to the freaking, hold on, guys. Let me actually real quick. Let me take this over here. Let me actually figure this out because this is all jacked up right now. This is all kind of jacked up. This is all kind of jacked up right now. Let's do this. Hold up. I got to figure this out, man, because this thing's all jacked up. How do I get to... Why is this all jacked up right now, man? Hold on, guys. This is all kind of jacked up. Did they change the chat? Where I can't look at participants? Someone could probably help me with this. Oh, no. Here it is. I'm just being an idiot, I think. Participants. Here we go. I was just being an idiot. Sorry, guys. Did they change it where I can't do it in pop-out chat? This is ridiculous, man. Oh, no, I can do it. Participants. Okay. We're good, guys. Let me bring it back over here now. All right. Here we go. We got everyone in here. Let's do this. Come on, man. We do this. Let me do this. All right, here we go. All right. Let's do this, man. Let's freaking do this. I'm going to pick one member. So spam the chat right now. Get in the chat, spam the chat, type in the chat. I'm going to give you 5 more seconds, and then we're going to do this, man. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Let me actually just cover my eyes. I'm going to pick one member, the closest member to where I pick, all right? And then we're going to do one random person, all right? Here we go. Let's do the member first. Bada bing, bada boom, I want you in my room. I want you in my room. I want you in my room. Bada bing, I want you in my room. Hey, here we go. Let's pick. Where's the cursor? Yasin is the first winner. Congratulations, Yasin. Yasin is the first winner. All right, let's do the second one. Yasin, go to the Discord. Message me in the Discord. Give me whatever it is. Yasin, go to the Discord, man. I'll make sure I'll confirm it to you. I have a way to confirm it to you. All right? Now let's do next. Let's do this next. All right, let's do the second person. Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. I want you in my room. I want you in my room. I want you in my room. Hey! All right, here we go. Let's go back up. Let's go down a little bit. All right, I'm not looking, guys. I swear, I'm not looking, man. I'm not looking. I have no reason to look. Ryan Black. Ryan Black is the winner. Here we go, man. Congratulations to Ryan Black and Yasin. Make sure you guys go in the Discord, all right? And freaking get it, man. Jordan's gonna eat the sock and do it. Holy moly. Yasin, nice job. Now let me get the chat back up. Hold on, guys. Let me get the chat rocking here again. Bring the Bitcoin chart back over. Wait, did I get stopped out? Nope. Well, not yet. I didn't get stopped out just yet. I know you guys want me to, though. Hope you guys can still see me. This is all kind of jacked up, man. There we go. There we go, man. All right. So we got the 2. Make sure you guys go in the Discord. If one of the mods could post the Discord link, I think you guys can do it. In the chat, that would be awesome help. If you guys could just post the Discord link in the chat, that would be awesome. Guys, go join the Discord, message me on there, and I'll make sure to get that to you by tomorrow morning, man. By tomorrow morning. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to get this pinned to the chat again. This is all kind of jacked up, man. All kind of jacked up. Let me get this over here. Thanks for all the 1,600 people that are in here, man. You guys are absolute studs. Thanks for hanging out during these times, man. I'm going to tell you guys, the people that are here are going to be the absolute killers when the market goes back up, man. You guys have stuck through this like absolute studs, man. Absolute studs. I'm telling you. You guys are going to be the winners when this starts going back up, dude. Because if you guys have stuck through this, you guys can stick through some serious bullshit, man. I'm going to tell you, like, you guys have some serious guts. Most people, about 90% of people, are gone, right? You are still here, and you still got the guts to stick by in this market when we're seeing this. That is some true shit, man. I'm not just saying that either. Like, that's some true guts. I do have to say it, man. Like, even if you sold and you're waiting for lower prices to buy, the fact that you're still here You're gonna be a winner. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Let's see. Rigged giveaway. You guys are crazy, man. You're crazy, man. Mike said that. All right, next time we do a giveaway, we'll do something more fun. We'll do like, you guys can guess the closest price that Bitcoin will close at. The closest person will win. I think that might be fun for next time, all right? That might be fun for next time, man. All right, check Solana. Let's go check out Solana real quick. Let's go check out Sol. Terra's still chilling, by the way. We'll look at AVAX, too. We'll look at AVAX for Rich. Rich, I got you for AVAX, too. Solana, Babana, Kagana. Solana at $35. So Solana's moving up pretty nice here. Pretty freaking nice. Move up for Solana. Now, for Solana, actually, Solana doesn't have the same things going on here. Let's actually go to the 4-hour for Solana. That might be a little more helpful for Solana. And yeah, Solana's getting a nice move up. Back above the 50 EMA. As always, right? As always, just be careful here. We did have this vector candle here. And we also had, right, previous support coming in right at that level too. Right? So you guys can see a lot of these altcoins are just coming up to their previous support levels where they bounced and now trying to get back over those. So just be careful right here, right? This could be an area where we could reverse back to the downside. But like we keep saying, if this breaks, hey, I mean, we could be having some definitely green or at least green candles coming up to the upside if this level breaks, right? But just be careful here, man. Just be careful. What a beautiful W formation at the bottom here, man. That was quite beautiful. You had the move to the downside again, and then the reversal. Absolutely beautiful. That's exactly what we want to see for any type of move to the upside. This is the formation you want to see. And really, and this is why when the price is dumping, until we see this formation, I'm not even going to rule in any type of move to the upside. But that's beautiful. That's beautiful in the 4-hour. That's just pure classic. That's pure classic, man. W formation, vector candle, breakthrough with some volume. That showed the true move there. That's pretty nice on Solana, man. Really nice. Congrats to anyone who caught the bottom there. You're already up a pretty good amount. You're already up 35% on that move. Nice freaking job, man. Nice freaking job, man. Let's get it. Adam, I got you, Rick. I got you on Adam, Rick. Rick or Bick. I got you, Rick. Java farts. Your accent works beautiful. I don't have an accent. Guys, I wish I had an accent. I really do. I really wish I had an accent, but I quite frankly, I don't think I have an accent. Some people think I do. I don't think I do. I don't even really say ka. I don't say ka. I don't say khakis. I don't say khakis. I don't say the ba. I don't say be. Maybe a little bit. I don't know. I feel like I don't really have that Boston accent at all. It could be quite frank, to be quite frank. All right, Bitcoin's coming back down here. I think this just missed my stop loss, man. I think my stop loss I put it a little bit higher than the wick here. So far, so good. Let's freaking get busy, man. Let's freaking get busy. We just missed my stop loss there. That's beautiful, bro. That's literally beautiful, man. But we need to see Solana. For Solana and for a lot of altcoins, we got to get back over that previous support levels, man, because this could just be a back test before continuing lower. Let's watch this very, very carefully. And also on Solana, right, just like a lot of other coins, you got the yellow vector candle here looking left, right? So just be careful there. We could come back into the zone before really anything else, right? So just be watching that very, very carefully. Is there any hopium for Vulcan Forge? Only if Bitcoin's going to pump, man. It's literally only, okay? Only if Bitcoin's going to pump. You know what I'm saying? And let's see. What else we got? Americans use accent. Accent? I have an Italian accent. Jordan, I am Italian. Italians FOMO. Yes, we're known for FOMOing. We like pasta. Whoever like pasta, FOMO. No, Bitcoin's dumping. No. Shit.
my long. I'm closing my long. This is manipulation. Every time it pumps and dumps, this is manipulation. George.
Horse guy has just closed his long right at the 13 EMA like a dumbass before even waiting for confirmation. He's dumped before even waiting for confirmation. You know exactly what to do. You know exactly what to do.
Dump it.
And now, pump it a little more.
Pump it.
And now dump it again.
Dump it.
I love that, man. That shit never gets old. I can watch that video so many freaking times. Like over and over and over again, watch that video, man. I really, really can. I really, really can. All right, so Solana. Don't do it. Dump it. He said dump it. All right. Solana. Let's go look at AVAX. We're just going to go over a few of the top cap altcoins. Guys, I know they're going to follow Bitcoin. I'm not a freaking idiot, okay? I'm really not an idiot. AVAX, sort of the same thing, right? Beautiful W formation, but I would love the W formation a little bit more, right? If you had the bop, that was a nice long position. If you caught that long, right? If you caught that long with the beautiful yellow vector candle with the breakout, the problem with that is, right, if we're going by, you know, Tino's style, which I love Tino, shout out to, you guys need to go watch Trader's Reality, man. I've learned more from him than I have, just basically about the psychology of the market than anyone else. I'm going to keep shouting him out, man, because he really deserves all the love that he can get. The dude is he teaches more about psychology of the market than anything else. So they moved it up to the upside here, right? They probably got a lot of people in this long position in here, right? Oh yeah, the bottom's in. Once again, for all these alts, I would not be surprised to see them all come back into this range, right? I would not be seeing them all come back in this range, right? So just be careful for looking for any type of significant move to the upside. Even if it does move to the upside, I would just see a move up to the 50 EMA before it comes right back down. And look where it is, right? Look where AVAX is, man. Just right at its previous support, trying to flip into resistance, right? You're going to see that from many different alts where they just came back up and retested, right? So just be careful. We get back above the 50 EMA, awesome, we're off to the races. But until then, hey, gotta stick with my bias here, man. Let's see. Bromance, of course, man, of course. Chewy said Tino sucks. All right, Chewy. Here comes Chewy. Here comes Chewy in the chat. First of all, Chewy, your name's Chewy. Second of all, I love you, Chewy. You watch every single day, man. You love to troll me. I love to troll you back. Here's what I gotta say to you, Chewy. All right? Tino sucks. All he does is look at vector candles. He just looks at colorful candles and says that they're going to go back down to those levels. You know what? I'm going to go watch some other friggin' idiot YouTuber who just looks at symmetrical triangles and looks at cup and handle patterns. Yeah, because that takes a lot of skill to learn. Oh, yeah, let's go watch this guy. I don't know his name, but he loves these meme patterns. Let's go. Yeah, he loves symmetrical triangles and cup and handles. I'm going to go watch him instead. Yeah. Tito sucks, man. Tito sucks. He's not smart. He just makes up shit. Get out of here, man. Get out of here, man. No, I'm just kidding. I love you. I love you, Chewy. It's all in good fun. If for anyone that's new in here, I troll my audience. All right, people will say, you shouldn't troll your audience. You guess what? No one else has the relationship to be able to troll their audience. All right? I love you. If I troll you in the chat, that means that I love you. Okay, and that means that you've been in this chat for probably a long time, and I recognize your name, and I feel comfortable enough to troll you. All right, just remember that. All right. All right. Let's see. Soul's pumping. Let's see. All right, what else we got? So we're still watching this. Brian said so rude. Brian's one of the best trolls in the chat too, man. I love Brian. Brian loves to troll me too. I love you, True Oaksay. I love you, Chewy. Going back up soon. Troll us, Alfie. I can't troll everyone. You know, I can't troll everyone. You know, you haven't trolled me yet. I've trolled a lot of people in the chat. I really have. If guys, put your hand in the chat if I've ever called you out on stream. All right? If I've ever called you out on stream or trolled you in any type of way, raise your hand in the chat. It's probably been a lot of people. Digi, I think I've trolled you, man. I think I trolled you for your name being Digi. I think way back in the day, I used to shit on DigiByte, right? I'm pretty sure I've trolled you before, man. I think I've trolled everyone. Literally everyone, man. We're at 955 likes. We are so close to 1,000 likes, man. We are killing it today. We are absolutely killing it. All right, looks like Bitcoin's trying to come back down here. If it breaks, right? If Bitcoin comes back down and breaks right here, I mean, you can even say the wicks down here, but I'd look for this previous low, right back down here. Look for this. I know people say this is not an M pattern. It doesn't need to be perfect. All right, you're just looking for the first hit, right, and then the second hit, right? Look for that. Right now, it's trying to bounce. So let's see. Let's see. Could just be temporary. But if it breaks that previous low, I'm looking for further downside action here. I'm already looking for further downside action. That's why I'm in a short, to be honest. Oh, man. Did someone really just say that? It was just the way you said it, man. I was not expecting that. Vanilla just came in and said, "What's up, Jordan?" Oh, no. Warwick Fida said, I saw Savvy for 5 minutes. It's boring as hell. That was just so random, man. We have 999 likes. The magic number. We have 999 likes in the chat. That means we're doing something right here, man. I appreciate you guys for being in here, having laughs during this bear market and these really, really, like, it's tough times for a lot of people, man. So it's good to come in here and hang out and have some laughs. We're all in this together. At the end of the day, everyone who's still here, we're gonna freaking kill it when the market goes back up. As much as we're not having fun right now, maybe, even though we might still be having fun, man, we are gonna freaking have so much fun when the market goes back up. I can't freaking wait, man. I can't freaking wait, man. It's gonna be so freaking fun. I'm still gonna be here. However long it takes, I'm still gonna be here, man. Looks like a bat wing pattern to me. We should have market makers. You guys remember market makers? We haven't done market makers in a while. Holy moly, man. Hold on. Let me just get a bald guy. Let me just get a bald guy in here. Bald and no beard. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys. We're gonna have market makers back on. He's gonna tell you all about the bat pattern. All right, let's see what he says. What's going on, guys? It's market makers. I haven't seen you guys in a while. I haven't been on Jordan's channel in a hot minute. But guys, we have a very, very bearish pattern right now. And Jordan doesn't know what he's talking about. It is not a bat pattern. This is a flying bearish pterodactyl pattern. Okay? A flying bearish pterodactyl pattern. You guys can see it right here. We have the giant wing, right? We have the giant wing right here. And we have the second wing. When you see these two wings, be careful. You might think it's a bullish bat pattern. Right? But this is actually a bearish pterodactyl pattern. Why? What makes it a bearish pterodactyl pattern? Well, it's that third hit right here that actually makes a lower low. All right? So this is a super, super bearish flying pterodactyl pattern. Be careful. The target for the flying pterodactyl pattern is all the way back down at the start of the move, all the way back down at its ass crack. All the way back down here at 21,451. That's the measure move. Back down at the ass crack. Right back down here. Excuse me. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to get back to Jordan. Be careful the bearish flying bear. You guys get the point. All right. The flying pterodactyl. Holy moly, man. It's not the it's some nostalgia. We haven't seen market makers in the chat in a long time, man. In a long freaking time in the chat. Holy moly, man. Holy moly. Watch those demon wings. Facts. It's Batman. Robert said, Jordan sucks, but for some reason I watch him every day. I don't know if I had to take that as a compliment, but it is what it is. Hey, man, I'm learning a lot, all right? So, yes, did I used to be a moon boy? I used to be a freaking moon boy. And I'm ready to admit my mistakes, but over the course of the last couple months, I've been putting in the time, and I've been learning a freaking lot, all right? So, you know... That I used to be a moon boy? Yes, but no more. No freaking more. I've been telling you guys that. No freaking more, moon boy. We're going to keep it real. We're going to keep it realistic here. And we're also going to have fun while we keep it realistic, okay? That's what we're doing here from now on. All right, so let's, what else we got? So did we look at AVAX? Yeah, we looked at AVAX. Adam, Rick wanted Adam. Hold on. Let me go through some of these here. Bernie said Bitcoin to 1 million euro by Friday. Yeah, baby. Oh, Lord.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
100K tomorrow, man. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. I was a moon boy also. I think a lot of us were moon boys. And I think this is huge, man, because I think a lot of us are getting a huge lesson, man. I think a lot of us get a huge lesson because we're just used to everything going up and up and up. A lot of us that got into not only crypto but stock markets are just used to everything going up and up and up. And we're getting taught a freaking lesson, right? And this is huge for teaching us all a lesson that the market doesn't care about us. The market's not just gonna go up because DCA, it's gonna go up, right? It's not just gonna go up because the fear and greed X is low. It's not just gonna go up because the liquid supply and on-chain is gonna go up. No, you gotta take into account many different things, and it's important to learn the overall macro and how everything works. And it's not just about it's not about the fear and greed X. It's not about on-chain data. It's not about Bitfinex longs. None of that bullshit matters, man. A lot of us, this has humbled a lot of us and made us not into moon boys, and it's turned a lot of moon boys into being realistic, man. Turned a lot of moon boys into being realistic, and that's why I think this is actually huge for a lot of us. This has taught us a lot, man. It's taught me a lot. It's taught me to look at the market from a realistic perspective and not just be a moon boy 24/7. You know what I'm saying? Now a real moon boy. Now I'm a real moon boy. It's like that's what I'll say about that, man. I think this is really, really good. About time you spoiled shits to get lessons. True. DXY go up. I'm gonna buy it. Showing you. Oh Lord, Miller, don't do that. Right? Where's my guy Pinocchio? Where's my guy Pinocchio when I need him? Pinocchio! Oh, here he is. I'm a real moon boy. I'm a real realist boy. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's look at. Rich became a member. Thank you for joining, Rich. Appreciate you. Brian said, about to get stopped out of his short and soon to be eating his sock. Bad day for Jordan's laundry. I actually did do laundry today. That's actually kind of creepy that you said that. I actually did do laundry today. So that is very, very creepy. By the way, guys, do you like the screen better here where you only see my head a little bit lower? Yeah, you got. I mean, for everyone who thinks I'm super, super ugly, okay? Everyone who thinks I'm super, super ugly, you can only see my head now. So, you know, we're not talking about certain heads. All right, Rick said Adam. Let's go check out Adam. Atom. Adam. What we got going on here? Atom. All right, so a wick right to the 50 EMA. I can't get too excited on really any alt until it gets back above that level. Now, we know multiple did. We know Chainlink has. We know Solana has, right? So there's been some altcoins that have, right? If we go left, there's actually nothing there left for Adam, to be quite honest. But I mean, it's sort of the same philosophy, man. I mean, you got the yellow vector candle, which is the green vector candle, right? Back down here, right? And quite honestly, for Adam, you also have this wick down here, right? Doesn't mean it has to get filled, but you got those two levels back down there. I think it's very likely to come back down and test, if we're being quite honest. The thing that would nullify that is you got to get back above the 50 EMA. What I want to see is a move back above the 50 EMA, a back test of it, and a continuation up. That's ultimately what I would want to see there for Adam to continue back up to that level we see right there. 868 would actually be the level I'd look for. If we can get back above the 50, come back down and test the 50, and then continue up, all right? But honestly, I mean, we're still below the 50, so I got to assume, based off what I look at, that you got to come back down to take these levels. Quite honestly, I mean, that would just make a bigger W pattern. So, I mean, honestly, that wouldn't be as bearish as people would see it, right? It would be a move up. You'd want to see the move back down and take these ranges. And then the bullish scenario would be a continued move to the upside. So even if we do come back down, it could turn into a bullish pattern too. All right, so let's watch this very, very carefully. All right, let's pay attention to a lot of different things. But That's what I got to look at for at the moment. Bitcoin's just kind of ranging, right? We know a lot of what altcoins are going to do is what Bitcoin's going to do. Bitcoin's just ranging right now. So you're seeing altcoins move up with Bitcoin ranging. We see that a lot. And just be careful here, man, because this is, what does this look like to you guys? What does this remind you of, right? This price action right here, the price action that we're seeing right now for Bitcoin. What does this remind you of? We've seen this before. We've seen this type of story before. Even this, if this doesn't turn into an M, let me just move it so you guys can see. Even if this doesn't turn into an M, what does this price action remind you of here? All right, I don't know if it's going to play out, right? Obviously, I mean, for my hodl bags, man, I hope this just rips to the upside. I do. What does this price action remind you of, man? You know, I don't want to pull them out. I don't want to pull them out. You know, I don't. Someone said in the chat. DataWare said it. What does it remind you of? There was no range going to dump. And reminds me with the pullback to 68K before going to 20K. Interesting. The bot. The bot Simpson. You know what's setting up. And I really hope it doesn't. I want Bitcoin to go up, guys. As much as I'm in a short right now, but I would rather my HODL portfolio is a significant amount more money than my little short that I have. I'd rather that go up. If I'm being honest, I would rather that hit my stop loss and get dumped. But yeah, I mean, let's see. Let's see. We've seen this before. Yo, answer my super chat, or I want to refund. Vanilla, I got you, man. Here we go. We haven't seen this guy in a while.
Oh my god! I just sent the only super chat I can afford. Jordan, I just sent you a $1 super chat. Okay? I've been waiting for 5 minutes. Okay? For 5 minutes. You're ignoring my super chat. You're literally skipping my super chat. Oh my god. I'm never sending one again. I want a freaking refund. Now! A refund!
You guys remember back in the day? That was good times, man. That was good times. We were having a lot of nostalgia tonight about a lot of old times, man. That was one of the funnier jokes back in the day. You're skipping my super chat, man. No, Vanilla, I got you, man. I got you. It's all in good fun. All right. What else we got? Okay, so we did Adam. Great stuff. Giveaway winners. Let's freaking go. Make sure the giveaway winners. Make sure if you weren't paying attention, go back and watch the stream when we did the giveaway winners. Make sure you guys go back and look. If you won, make sure you join the Discord. Right? You've messaged me in the Discord, and I'll get your info to get that sent to you guys. All right. Psycho Pearl said Vulcan Forge. Vulcan Forge. All right. Let's see Vulcan Forge. Man, it's crazy. When new people come in there, they must be like, why is this guy just shitting on his viewers? Why is this guy just like, absolutely just like trolling his viewers? You don't get it, okay? I got to assume out of the 1,500 people in here, I got to assume that about maybe 100 to 200 of you guys have never watched the stream before. You got to stick around, okay? You got to stick around. We have interesting ways here. All right, Vulcan Forge. Let's see what's going on, man. I love this new monitor, man. This makes me... I can actually see. I'm not like a freaking old lady going,
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
oh, man. You know? So, I actually can see. It's great. I'm so happy I can see. Vulcan Forge. Why is everyone spamming ADA? Is ADA going nuts? We'll check out ADA shortly. Vulcan Forge, is there any hope on it? Yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin can rise, Vulcan Forge will rise. And quite honestly, just like we saw with a lot of altcoins, I mean, you got the first hit, you got the second hit, and now you're trying to get that rise back up to the upside. So, I mean, ultimately what we want to see is a breakout of the W pattern with some volume. So if you can get back above the 50 EMA, and you break back above the neckline, which is about 390, you want to see some volume come in. Right? So if you do get this breakout, watch for some volume, right? Watch for a volume breakout. Don't look for a little dweeby breakout. You want to see some volume come in on this breakout. If you do, all right, I mean, we could be rocking and rolling here, just like some other altcoins are rocking and rolling, you know? So let's watch very, very carefully there for Vulcan Forge. Obviously, you need Bitcoin to behave in order for a Vulcan Forge to go up, but you get in the formation that you want to see, right? You want to see the W formation at local bottoms. This doesn't mean it's the macro bottom, but you want to see the W formation at local bottoms. So we'll continue to watch that. You got to see some volume coming on that breakout, though. You know, stop spamming, dude. Why is everyone going nuts with ADA today? Holy moly, man! Everyone's going nuts with ADA. By the way, we have 1,128 likes. That is nuts. That is freaking nuts, man. I appreciate the really like the support on the channel the last couple of days. You guys have been freaking crazy, man. It's been absolutely crazy. It's been absolutely crazy. You know, it really has. I can't. I mean this from the bottom of my heart, and I'm not gonna cry. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. I know there's some people that cry on stream. No pun intended. Which is freaking awesome, man. I love the emotions. You know, I love the support in the stream, man. It really is freaking awesome. I appreciate you guys for being here, and I don't say it enough. I mean, you guys have been some of you guys have been watching me for like we're almost going on a year and a half of streaming, man. A year and a half of streaming, which is absolutely nuts. And some of you guys have been here since day one and watched every single freaking stream, the whole freaking stream. Even if you haven't, some of you guys have been here for at least a year and watched the whole freaking stream every single day, which I can't believe because I'm just the guy who sits up here and talks to you guys about charts. Like, I'm not some special guy, right? I'm not riding out here in freaking Lamborghinis and this stuff. I'm just a normal freaking guy. So I really appreciate you guys for being here every single day. I really, really mean it, man. Oh my God, now he's going to cry like this. Oh, Lord, man. Lord. Frozen said, yup, 1.5 years. It's crazy. Been here for over a year. I still find that crazy. Like, I'm just kind of, sometimes I think about it and it's like, dude, some people watch me for hours every day. Every single day for hours. 2 streams, sometimes 2 streams. It's nuts, man. Vanilla said, what's up, Jordan? Thoughts on Bitcoin dominance? I was stunned to see Bitcoin drop from 25K to 20K. In major alts wait. What's up with Bitcoin dominance? I was stunned to see Bitcoin drop from 25 to 20K and major alts didn't hit lower lows. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely interesting. Usually when you see a lot of weakness on Bitcoin, the altcoins get absolutely wrecked. And quite honestly, if we actually bring up the Bitcoin dominance here, like, dude, it honestly blows my mind too. It blows my mind too if we're actually looking at it. So we got the Bitcoin dominance here. Yeah, to see the Bitcoin dominance dump, right? Now, look, it's actually funny because usually you can't do TA on the Bitcoin dominance. Look at the perfect bounce off the 50 EMA. Like, I don't think that really means anything. Doing TA on the Bitcoin dominance is sort of weird, right? But look at the perfect bounce off the 50 EMA. You gotta love it. You gotta love it when that shit works for no reason. But yeah, I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy to see 1, 2, 3, 4 days of the Bitcoin dominance getting absolutely just hammered, right? Absolutely hammered. And then at the same point, seeing Bitcoin getting absolutely hammered for 4 days, right? Bitcoin went from 30K down to 20K, and the altcoins outpaced Bitcoin. It's not what you typically see. So it's crazy stuff. Do I think it's going to last if Bitcoin continues down? Probably not. But, I mean, for altcoin holders, nice, man. Freaking nice, bro. That saved you a lot of money, because if this continued up, altcoins would have got wrecked. So, nice. I mean, that saved altcoin holders a lot of freaking money there, man. A lot of freaking money. I remember Jordan when he was Canadian. I am not Canadian. I am Italian. I am Italian. I am not Canadian. I like pasta. I like pizza. Yes, I am Italian. And before you guys say, Jordan, you can't say that. That's messed up. I am so happy now, because now I can do that accent. People can't say, Jordan, you're going to get canceled for saying that. No, you know why I can? Because I am Italian. Pa! Pump it. Okay? So you can't come at me and say, Jordan, you can't say that. You can't say that. That's the culture nowadays, by the way. Yeah, if you're not something, you can't say anything about something that's not you. But here's the thing, man. I can freaking say it, boy. So screw my 2022 Karens, man. Pump it. Let's go, man. The dude said, glad he grew out that crazy face. I'm still pretty crazy, man. You know, I guess I'm trying to be, I'm not trying to be more serious. Trust me. I'm not trying to be more serious. That's just not me. I can't sit here in the charts and not have fun. That's just not me, man. I'll always have fun, right? No matter how much time and effort I put into learning, I'm always going to have fun. I'll never just be, no matter how smart I get in the future, right? You know, even if I studied hours a day and got super smart on multiple different things, I'm still going to be the goofy freaking bastard who likes fart jokes and likes beating off jokes, right? It's still going to be me always. I'm never going to change that, right? I'm never going to change that. So I got to gain weight. All right, so Bitcoin's still in this range, man. Bitcoin's just ranging. I'm waiting for the range to break, but this is looking awfully Barty. No? Anyone else agree this is looking awfully Barty? Right? I think it's looking like a little bit like a Bart Simpson pattern again. I don't like that. We know what Bart Simpson patterns end up like. We know. I saw Savvy for 5 minutes. It's boring as hell. That's friggin' funny, man. That's friggin' funny. All right. Italian. I am Italian. Let's go. I like pasta. I can make Italian jokes now, finally. I like pasta. Oh, Lord. He cut up the chat quick. Lord, am I late to the sock party? No. We've just missed the sock. So far, so good, man.
Can you check it out?
So far, so good. All right. Yo, answer my super chat. I want a refund. Bathwater said, thank you too, Jordan. You make the suck less sucky. Thank you, Bathwater, man. You've been here for 11 months, man. As a member, you've been here for longer than that, too. I appreciate you, man. Listen, man. I appreciate for everyone sticking around, because there was a time where there was... It wasn't because of me, but there was a time where there was, like, not some drama, but there was, like, a lot of my long-term viewers, there was some beef between the two sides, and that was freaking completely dumb, man. So freaking dumb, man. Why... If you guys know, you know. If you know what I'm talking about. All right, this is for all the deep followers that I have. Freaking dumb shit, man. I can say it now because, man, it's dumb shit. It's like, why do people have drama, man? Just drop the freaking drama. How old are we? I don't know how old we are, but you know, it is what it is. All right. Let's see. Yo, answer my... You rock, bro. Pelagic came in with... I didn't even see that, Pelagic. Shout out to you, man. Pelagic, that's freaking awesome, bro. Shout out to Pelagic's been watching forever, too, man. Freaking crazy, bro. Crazy. Come on, man. Let's get it. Drunk Bear hated me for a while. I appreciate the honesty. Like, I appreciate honesty more than anything, man. You know? I appreciate honesty more than anything. Sometimes I can get salty about things, you know? I'm human just like everything else. Like, everyone gets salty, right? Everyone has a little bit of an ego. I can get salty, right? Sometimes people try to give me some constructive criticism, and I get a little salty, okay? I get it. Everyone's human, though. You know, at the end of the day, everyone's human. So I do get salty. But I appreciate it, man. All right. We're just kind of hanging out, man. Bitcoin's just kind of ranging. Guys, for all the people like, Jordan doesn't look at charts. We looked at charts for like an hour and a half, man. Let me just chill and talk for a little bit, all right? What's up with comp? Can you check it out?
You once during a friend's wedding.
Good vibes and high fives. What's going on, Squirt? Good to see you, man. All right, let's look at comp. Comp. I still haven't gotten liquidated. Not liquidated. I'm not going to get liquidated. I have a stop loss. I still haven't got stopped out of my short. I always say liquidated sometimes. I'm like, dude, I'm not liquidated. All right, comp. Comp. Oh, my Lord. Comp's getting destroyed. It's probably coming up a little bit on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see.
You're the man, Jordan.
Dude, you guys are going nuts, man.
Community since the day I found it.
You guys are literally going nuts, man. You guys are going nuts, man. Holy moly. I am George. We're all George. Guys, Bitcoin gonna go down, But Jordan is gonna go up. Crypto Shock gonna go up. We are scrolling up on the like button. You guys are the best. Comp. Oh, done. Comp looks shitty on the daily, but the 4 hours try to get a little retrace. Just like everything else, man. I mean, comp's not as strong as other altcoins, but because it's still below the 13 EMA. I want to see it get back above the 13 EMA. But just like other altcoins, man, it's still, I still can't get too excited yet. I want to get excited. But I can't get too excited just yet. Maybe this comes back down, right? Makes a higher low, pops back up. I can't get too excited just yet. You got this yellow vector candle and you got this whole wick down here. I got to assume it's going to come back down into this range before it wants to continue back up. I got to assume it first, right? I got to assume it first. Because here's the thing about a lot of the altcoins, man. Just like you had probably a lot of degen shorts come in today, right, on the news that the market makers now came back up and liquidated, you got to assume that they now are going to come back down because you probably had a lot of degen longs come in on a lot of these alts. You got to assume that they come back down, W formation, before they bring it back up to the upside, right? That's always my thinking when I look at the charts. You know, it is what it is. I mean, let me breathe real quick, man. I feel like I'm talking really fast right now. Holy moly, man. Your altcoin haircut doesn't work as well as George. My altcoin haircut. How's the hair going today, guys? Let's see. Guys, how's the hairline looking? Bullish or bearish right now? Bullish or bearish? Okay. What's going on for the hairline right now? We haven't done any TA on it, so we still got the cup and handle, man. It's still the inverse cup and handle. I still think this is going. You got to assume this is going to retrace a little bit. Look, you got the retrace, the cup. You came back down. You got this little handle right here. And I think you're going to see that retrace all the way back down to the eyebrow. I think you're going to see that retrace down to the eyebrow there. You got to assume that the hairline's coming back down, man. You got to assume. Creighton said, you're okay. You guys are nuts today, man. You really are. I even watched you once during a friend's wedding. That's bad, man. Your friend was going to be getting pissed. It was probably the horse guy, wasn't it? It was probably the horse guy.
Mom, I'm getting married today. Yes, I'm so excited. Yes, I'm getting married. I always wanted to get married. My mom told me to get married, so I'm getting married. And that's what Satani told me to do. Yes, I'm getting married. Wait, are you watching Jordan on your phone? This is ridiculous. This is manipulation. You're supposed to be my best friend. This is manipulation. I'm getting married and you're on your phone watching Jordan? No, manipulation.
This guy thinks it's always manipulation. This guy, he thinks it's always manipulation, man. Every single day he thinks it's manipulation. What else? What is not manipulation? I want to know. I want to know what's not manipulation. Holy moly, man. My voice, I think, is going to be gone tomorrow. Oh, guys, my voice is going to be gone tomorrow. I can already tell. Oh, Lord. You know, sometimes you talk and you just feel that voice is going to be gone. Literally dead, man. Brain dead? Oh, Lord. Wayne said, my best friend is getting married at the end of the week. So I have about 2 weeks to stop that shit. You know what's going down. You guys know my take. You guys know if anyone gets married, I hope it's the best. Your boy will never get married. Your boy will never get married. And I'm saying this right in front of Maya right here. I will never get married. She knows it too. All right. Holy moly, man. Man. I feel like I'm going to lose my voice. You're the man, Jordan. Appreciate you, Crypto Shock. Creighton, you're absolute studs, man. You guys are absolute studs. We are definitely bullish today, man. We are definitely bullish. 2 hours into the stream, we still got almost 1,300 people in here. Craziness. All right, guys, I might call a stream because I don't want to lose my voice today because we got 2 more streams to come tomorrow. It's Thursday, right? What can we expect on Thursday? We know sometimes we can get reversals on Thursdays, right? So far this week, let's go check out the weekly candle real quick. So far this week, we've seen red, right? So we know on Thursdays, and sometimes Wednesdays, they like to reverse the market in the other way before the next week, right? Or before the weekend. So Let's watch to see what happens. All right, so far so good. Bitcoin's continuing back up. I will say this price action right here is kind of shady to me, right? It's kind of shady. Right? You're not really seeing that. It's looking like it wants to round out. I'm not going to say it's 100% going to happen, but it's looking a little Barty. We don't like the Bart Simpson patterns here, all right? We hate the Bart Simpson patterns, right? So before we go, let's have a little dance to Bart Simpson, right? Let's dance for Bart Simpson. Let's hope that Bart Simpson's happy and doesn't push us back down. Right? Like this. Let's hope that Bart Simpson gets absolutely effed and we pump to the upside going into tomorrow. Let's get a little pump song going. All right? Let's freaking go, man. Let's freaking go. Come on, man. Come on, man. We don't want Bart Simpson to come back down. Let's kind of get busy. I don't like the price action, but, it is what it is. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I hope we pump tomorrow, guys. I'm going to call it a stream here. It's been a fantastic stream, man. Make sure you don't panic sell your crypto. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And don't panic sell your crypto. I'll catch you guys tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the market open and just to hang out a little bit while I drink coffee. And other than that, I'll see the rest of you guys at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. Have a fantastic day, guys. So have a fantastic night, fantastic morning. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace!